Hello everybody, so welcome back to my channel. On today's video I wanted to make a little bit of a special video. One of my most favorite plants, which is my Fiddle leaf fig tree, my Ficus Lyrata, named Tobi. I've put this plant through hell. I have honestly just experimented so much with this plant, and it's so strong. I got it was a sick plant, and the other one that came with it died, but Tobi managed to survive, and I'm just so happy. So yeah, if you're interested in me repotting Tobi, showing you Tobi, keep on watching. Okay, so everybody, as you can see, this is Tobi. I'll put measurements of him in the video somewhere, and this is just a decorative little basket that I have it sitting in. So what I'm gonna do is put a mixture of a lot of perlite. And I purchased this Miracle Grow organic potting mixture. Cactus mix. I am so excited to repot this plant. I've had this plant for a few years. Pretty much what happened was last year I wanted to start growing branches, but I cut into newer flesh instead of the barkier flesh and chopped off the entire just like pretty much this much worth of new growth I chopped off accidentally. So this plant had to regrow itself, restabilize itself, and it's been doing really good, and I'm so proud of it. So yeah, Tobi. Thank you guys so much for watching my video on how I repotted my Fiddle leaf fig tree, aka Tobi. And yeah, if you're interested in more, plant videos, I definitely have more in stores for you. Also, I'll link down below any other ones that I have in my plant playlist. I also have a playlist too. And guys, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below with any comments, questions, or concern, and subscribe. Join my little cookie family. We do all types of awesome things here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.